Hey friends, if you wish to make Edge the default browser on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, we don't make Edge the default browser for Windows, but for certain types of files. So right click on it and select settings from the menu. And then you can go to the apps tab. You can select default apps. And then you can scroll down and select Edge. Wait, we'll search for it. Okay. Click on Edge. And then you can select it as default. Okay, so this is one thing. You can make it a default browser this way, or you can simply click on it and select the kind of files for which you want to make it the default browser. Basically, if HTML files and HTML files have a certain default browser, 90% of files will open in that, but you can also make it for PDF. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.